Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it is open, look at the left side menu and find the extensions icon, which looks like a small box. Click on it to open the extensions panel. Next, click on the search bar at the top and type Claude Code. When the search results appear, click on the Claude Code extension. On the right side, you will see the install button. Click Install and wait for the extension to finish installing. After the installation is complete, open any file in Visual Studio Code. You will now see the Claude Code Spark icon in the top right toolbar or in the left activity bar. Click on the Spark icon to continue. Now, sign into your account and authorize the extension if you are prompted. This step activates Claude Code and connects it to Visual Studio Code. Once the sign-in process is complete, the extension is ready to use. You can now access Claude Code directly inside Visual Studio Code and start using its features to help with your coding projects. Thanks for watching.